Very good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you in the International Conference for Academic Institutions, and particularly in this preliminary session on building world-class institutions. Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Chudasama ji, Honorable Minister of State for Education, Madam Vasuben Trivedi, Chief Secretary of Government of Gujarat, Chairman of the session, Mr. Pandyan, distinguished speakers, respected academicians, vice chancellors from Gujarat, outside Gujarat, and the delegates who are representing other countries, ladies and gentlemen. This title is, theme of this preliminary session is very, very important. When we say building world-class institutions, this is a great challenge to establish world-class institutions in Indian higher education system. As we all know, our product, our students who are coming out of our institutions, universities are doing very, very well. They are doing extremely well in all walks of life, but when it comes to the academic institutions, we are not doing that well. There is no coherence. That's why the challenge is, how can we establish world-class institutions in our country? What are the attributes and parameters? When we say this institution is world-class institutions, what are the expectations from the institution? We have to establish, understand such parameters. Because in this changes world, globalized world, networked world, the role of university is not only to focus on creation, sharing and transfer of knowledge, but also to focus on innovation, originality and creativity. There are a good number of challenges. Those challenges are more prevalent for us, as President of India has recently referred to some statistics, and he said in 2010, only 6,000 patent applications filed from India. In contrast to 240,000 applications from United States of America, 260,000 applications from China, 290,000 applications from Japan, and so on and so forth. It means what? We have to go a long way. Theme is extremely, extremely important for us. Because if we have to achieve targets, then obviously the world-class institutions will play a critical, vital role in the development of the higher education system in our country. So our chairman of the session is Mr. B.J. Indian, an IAS officer, very senior officer of Government of Gujarat. He is Principal Secretary, Energy and Petrochemicals, a very senior IAS officer. Also served as Managing Director of Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation for 8 years. Developed the gas distribution in Gujarat. Responsible for, we are sitting in PDPU, he was one of the strong pillars who was responsible for establishing this PDPU. He is also focusing on renewable energy. He was also advisor to Executive Director World Bank in Washington from 1998 to 2001, a visionary leader, dedicated asset of Government of Gujarat. We have good number of speakers here, as we have Mr. Phil Beatty, editor in charge of TIMSS Higher Education, United Kingdom. He will talk on the world university rankings. We have Mr. Watson, Vice President, Information Relations, University of Toronto, Canada. He will talk about building world-class universities, collaborations, innovations, and creation of knowledge.